Guess the monster. Who is this?
1, 2, 3.
That's right, it's Hoppy Hopscotch.
1, 2, 3.
Do you know this monster?
The torments. Oh no.
It's Dogday monster.
The torments. Oh no.
Which monster voice is this? It's Huggy Wuggy. Guess the next one. It's Boxy Boo. Are you ready? Let's go.
You don't remember me? No matter. Perhaps this will jog your memory.
That's Bull Trap.
You don't remember me? No matter. Perhaps this will jog your memory.
Who's behind this voice? It's Bobby Beerhug. Let's keep going.
Catnap! Please, help us go to sleep, Catnap!
We need it, Catnap.
That's Bubba Bullifant.
Catnap! Please, help us go to sleep, Catnap!
We need it, Catnap. Please help us. Sleep.
Next monster.
You animal. I was Molly McMoo, part of the same farm collection as Kickin' Chicken and Pig.
It's Molly and CMO.
Animal. I was Molly McMoo, part of the same farm collection as Kickin' Chicken and Piggy.
Can you identify this monster? That's Catnap. Guess the monster.
1, 2, 3. Look at me.
It's Kickin' Chicken.
1, 2, 3. Look at me. 4, 5.
Move to the next one.
Intimidating, aren't you? Well, I think I can fix that. The CEO.
That's Jolly Jaws.
Intimidating, aren't you? Well, I think I can fix that. The CEO. Hug my teeth.
Can you guess this character?
Do you really think you can stop me?
It's Nightmare Catnap.
Do you really think you can stop me? Don't make me laugh.
Who's the next character? That's Crafty Corn. Ready for the next monster. It's Kissy Missy. Guess the monster.
Hello, I'm a picky pig. I am sure that the most important...
It's Picky Piggy.
Hello, I'm a picky pig. I am sure that the most important thing is healthy eating.
Who's the next character?
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to scare you.
That's Poppy.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I was just...
Guess the monster. It's Frog Monster. Are you ready? Let's go.
And you are not welcome here. Now stay down.
Wait, no!
That's Smile Cat.
And you are not welcome here. Now stay down.
Wait, no!
Do you know this monster? It's Cola Monster. Can you identify this monster?
This zoo is under my protection.
That's Zookeeper.
This zoo is under my protection.
Okay, last one. You're so good, that's Monkey Monster.